Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video, we're going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces problem 16, which is median maximization. So in this video, we have to basically find an array of size n whose sum is equal to s, and the median on the median of that particular array is maximum. So this is a very simple logic for that. So for example, we have to take and also the median of that array is defined as the n by 2th, the seal of n by 2th position. Then means the number which is standing on the n by 2th position. So basically, what we'll do is we will just make all the numbers before n by 2th 0, because we don't have any, means we are not dependent on those numbers which are coming before m by 2. For example, let's move towards the whiteboard. For example, okay, sorry, this is for the last video. This is question of last video. Let me erase this. Okay, I forget about to erase this. Okay, so what we will do is, for example, the value of n is 7. So the median will be 7 by 2th seal, which will be the seal of 7 by 2 will be 4. So the median will be fourth number of the array. So we will make the first three number. What we will do, we will make the first three number as 0, 0, 0 and 0, because we don't require, we are not dependent on that numbers. And then we will divide the next numbers by, let's remember the value of s is 8. So then the median will be s by 4. That's the only answer. No, sorry, not s by 4, not s by 4. It will be, because we are making these three numbers as 0. So now the rest of the numbers are 7 minus 3, which is 4. So now we will make this by s by 4, which is 8 by 4, and the median will be 2. That's the easy logic of this problem. We have to make all the numbers before that median is 0, because we are not dependent on that numbers. So okay, so let's move to the logic part, the code part. You will understand it better there. So this is the code for this problem. What I have done is, this is a very simple code. I have just first of all find a seal of n by 2, and then I have decremented one less than that seal. For example, the seal is the fourth number, the fourth position. So I have made all the three positions before 4 0. So I have decremented n minus is equal to that number, because now these all numbers are 0. They are not contributing in the sum. And then I have printed s by 4. That's the only answer. Okay, and it is accepted. You can check here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, if you have any doubt, you can comment it down, or you can ask it on our Telegram. Subscribe to channel for Codeforces solution for competitive programming content. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Share it with your friends. Comment below. Thank you.